Surfers Paradise.
It's all the buildings.
That's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. So I just arrived into Gold Coast, into the Gold Coast, and this is the beautiful view here. Oh, look at that plane taking off. That's the airport we just come from, Aces. We're so it's close. It's so beautiful.
It's like, look, someone's got up here.
Where? Oh, right, yeah. Whoop, look, someone's just coming down.
One of the
But where did he come
Japanese
from?
plane dropped them off.
Oh, wow. Plane just dropped this guy off, and we're now looking into
The Coolangatta.
Coolangatta. And we're about to say the wedding is around which way? That way?
That way.
So the wedding is, would that be north?